Welcome to Particle Pharma. In my last video, I have already shown you the scheme of preparation that you have to understand the subject. You should have some plan along with resources to execute your better achievements. And we have already showed you some active learning technique. With that, you can increase your concentration as well as you can increase your marks. So today I'll be explaining how the environment and self-care is going to play a most important role in increasing your marks. So what are those self-care and study environment points, sir? Most important thing is you have to find a quiet place or comfortable place where you can study properly. That there should not be any kind of noise pollution, that you should not get diverted from the study things, as you will be having less time sometimes and you need to concentrate more. So you should find a quiet place or proper place in your home or in your den, according to me. And while studying, you should not have any kind of stress, not family stress, not relative stress, not exam stress. Again and again, I am requesting to the parents, please don't stress your kids that they should get good marks, they should get a seat in that field. Please leave it on the students. Okay, you tell them that you have to get good marks and you should get proper seat or proper percentage, but you should not force them. Okay, please don't force them. Let them study, let them choose their field. Next is avoid distraction. The most and important distraction nowadays is students' favorite thing, mobile phones or other devices. Please, students, it's a humble request to you now that stop using mobile phones unnecessarily. Okay, don't misuse it. When you are requiring it for study, please use it. Otherwise, don't use it till the time you have complete your exams. Please don't use it. After that, you can easily use. Who will ask you not to use it? Okay, so please till then don't use it. And the most important thing after these three things is self-care. Your health is very important thing. If health is not there, you cannot perform on your exam day. So please be hydrated. Okay, and you should get good food. Means stop or avoid junk food, which is going to have a bad or ill effect on your health till then. And get a good sleep during and after the exams. See, it is my best point that wherever till the time you are alive, you should get good sleep. But during exams, it is a very most important thing that you should get good sleep and you should not get disturbed with the sleep. Okay, if you are properly slept, you can perform well according to me, and you can check also. Next thing is you should be prepared for your exam, and we all are wishing you best for your exam, and we want you to perform well in your exam, and we want you to see on a better position. So coming to the final or last day, or that will be your day, so you have to perform well. So the day has come, that is the final day or exam day. So for that day, you need to have self-care, which I have already told you that one day before you should get proper sleep, proper food, and you should be hydrated, and you should not get tensed. You should be confident enough that tomorrow I am going to perform well. Don't get stressed too much. Okay. Have a simple talk with your parents that what will be the good times and all. So it will increase your good hormones. Okay. Happy hormones. Next, before going to the exam day, one day before, you should keep all your collectibles like your stationery, your hall tickets, everything at a proper place and keep it aside. Okay. So while going to the location, coming to the location or exam hall day, you should arrive early at the location. You should know that how much amount of time is required to reach from your home to the location. Okay, means traffic will be there and it will take much time, it will consume your time, and you should arrive at the correct location. Sometimes what will happen that same name locations will be there but buildings will be different. Okay, buildings will be different. Those buildings will be in one campus, but those two buildings will be having a far means some distance. It will take 10 minutes to walk. If you are getting late by 10 minutes, exam invigilator is not going to allow you. So please try to reach at the correct location. Next, after reaching to the correct location, enter into the hall before 10 minutes only. You will be standing outside and you will be thinking, no, I have already arrived to the location. Now I will be reading. Don't do like that. Reach to the hall or enter into the hall 10 minutes. Try to be calm. Sit at your place. Check whether it is your place or not. After getting the answer sheet or question paper, read the instructions properly. Check whether your sheet is not turned or whether your number is written properly and how many or number of pages are there in your sheet. That also you check it beforehand only. Okay, after doing everything, if anything is there, just inform to the invigilator. She or he will be managing your problem or issue. Next thing is management during the exam. As soon as the question comes, you might be reading the question paper properly. Read the question paper properly. Don't get panicked if you are not getting any question. Okay, some questions are there which you might not have read. So don't worry. You will get the answer later on. You might be getting, like, you might be forgetting at that time, but you will getting recalled at the later time. So it can happen. So try to complete the questions which you know perfectly. Okay, complete those questions first. Okay, and try to manage the time properly. You might be consuming like first 2 hours for two questions, and the remaining 5 or 6 questions will not be having time. So don't do it like that. Try to equivalate the time properly and don't scribble on the questions, I mean answer sheet. Okay, and during the exam time, if you are not knowing any question, just leave that question and pass it on to another question. After completing everything, just come back to that question and try to fill whatever you know. Okay, don't fill irrelevantly, just try to fill whatever you know according to the question. After filling everything, just check whether you have put the proper question number or not. If anything is there, try to fill it and try to highlight the important points. So like that you can get the proper marks, I mean increased marks, and hope you all will get passed in your exam. Again, we are telling that all the best from our team to you. We will meet in the next session. Thank you so much.